Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to NordVPN. We'll explore two effective methods to get your console protected, either through your router or by sharing a connection from your computer. This guide will help you enhance your online privacy and access a wider range of content. We'll also cover the simple steps and necessary items to get you gaming securely in just a few minutes. One popular method involves setting up NordVPN directly on your home router. This provides protection for every device connected to your network, including your PlayStation 5. You'll need a compatible router that supports OpenVPN or similar protocols. Once configured, simply connect your console to the router's Wi-Fi, and all its traffic will be routed through the VPN, offering seamless security. Alternatively, you can share your computer's VPN connection with your PlayStation 5. This method works well for both Windows and Mac users. First, connect your PC to NordVPN, then link your computer and console with an Ethernet cable. Finally, adjust your computer's network sharing settings to allow the PlayStation 5 to use its internet connection, securing your gaming experience. Using NordVPN with your PlayStation 5 offers several key advantages. You gain enhanced privacy and security, protecting your online activities from prying eyes. Additionally, you can access geo-restricted games and content from around the world. If you encounter slow speeds, try connecting to a closer server. For disconnections, ensure your VPN software and router firmware are up to date.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.